Hello everyone, this is Priyanka K. studying at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we'll see about research design and importance of research design. Firstly, we'll know what is research design. Research design is the framework for collecting and analyzing of data. It dictates how research questions are formulated and how results are interpreted. It is well structured design ensures reliability and validity for the research findings. Next comes the importance of research design. The main importance of research design that it provides a blueprint for the entire research process. It also helps in minimizing biases and errors during data collection and data analysis. It is a solid design enhances the credibility of the research results and conclusions. For example, we can take data collection, recording the number of people making measurements and recording data, the number and kinds of quality control measures necessary to verify the accuracy and consistency of data collected, data entry into computer files, assignment of tasks and responsibilities, storage of original and copies of data sheets and computer files, and data analysis. Uh, this is the example for what research design is important. Next comes the overview of the research design types. Research design can be broadly categorized into three main types, as are exploratory, experimental, and descriptive. These are the three main types in the research design. Each type serves different research objectives and questions. Understanding these types helps researchers choose the most appropriate design for the study. For example, we can give experimental model, descriptive design, conceptual design, case study design, longitudinal design, cross sectional design, action research design, and many more. Exploratory research design. In exploratory research, it is used to gain insights into problem or phenomenon. It often involves qualitative methods such as interviews or focus groups to gather in-depth information. This type of design is particularly useful when the research topic is not well understood. Exploratory research is a type of study primarily conducted to gain a broad understanding of an subject when there is limited information available. It aims to identify problems, ideas, or hypotheses rather testing or confirming an hypothesis. For example, we can take pros and cons. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages help it helps to develop descriptive insights to inform subsequent study design and hypothesis testing. Disadvantage is that it tends to lack of literature to inform its own investigation. It is inconductive and requires follow-up investigation. Next comes the characteristics of exploratory research. It is flexible and open ended, allowing researchers to adapt as new insights emerge. The findings are often not statistically significant but can inform future researchers' directions. Exploratory research helps identify variables and develop hypotheses for future investigation. Next comes the experimental research design. Experimental research involves manipulating one or more independent variables to observe effects on dependent variable. It is categorized by the use of control groups and random assignment to eliminate bias. This design is essential for establishing cause and effect relationships in research. We can see in the image it describes the types of experimental research design, that is a pre-experimental design and the rest of two. Next comes the key features of experimental research. It often employs quantitative methods yielding statistically significant results. The use of controlled condition enhances the reliability of the findings. Experimental designs can be complex but are highly valuable for hypothesis testing. Quality In types of research design, there are two types. There is qualitative and quantitative. Descriptive research design. Descriptive research aims to provide a detailed account of phenomenon without manipulating variables. It uses quantitative or qualitative data to describe characteristics of a population or situation. This design is beneficial for identifying trends, patterns, and relationships in data. Mainly, descriptive research involves collecting data to provide an accurate portrayal or detailed account of phenomenon without influencing it in any other way. It aims to observe, document, and create to a profile of the subject under study, often exploring patterns, behaviors, or attributes. For example, we can take national census and market surveys. And it is an official survey that records information about demographies, employment, and housing. Market surveys this include business gathered data about their consumers' preferences to understand market trends and guide product development. Applications of descriptive research. The common methods in descriptive research may include like surveys, case studies, and observational studies. Descriptive research can inform policy decisions by providing evidence based data. It is often used as a preliminary step before conducting more experimental or exploratory studies. Mainly, descriptive research involves collecting data to provide an accurate portrayal or detailed account of phenomenon without influencing it in any way. It aims to observe, document, and create through profile of the subject under study. Often, this include market research, which includes business, often used to descriptive research to understand consumer preferences, buying habits, and market trends. Next comes to public health, which plays a crucial role in public health for tracking the prevalence of diseases, health behaviors, and outcomes within specific population. For example, it can help identify the spread of an illness in a community or the effectiveness of the health intervention. Next, when it comes to education, in educational settings, descriptive research can be used to assess student performance, teaching methods, and curriculum effectiveness. It helps educators understand the needs of their students and the impact of various instructional strategies. When it comes to social sciences, researchers in sociology and psychology often use descriptive studies to explore social behaviors, attitudes, and cultural norms. Next comes the environmental studies. Descriptive researchers can help in monitoring environmental changes such as pollution level, biodiversity, and climate change impacts. It provides essential data for conservation efforts and environmental policies. When it comes to product development, companies use descriptive research to gather feedback on new product or services. Understanding user experience and satisfaction levels can guide improvements and innovations. Descriptive research is a versatile and widely used across in various fields to gather valuable information and can inform decision making, policy development, and strategy planning. When it comes to the conclusion, for example, choosing the research design is crucial for the success of any study. Researchers should align their design choice with their research questions and objectives. A well planned design enhances the overall quality and impact of research findings. Feel free to modify or expand upon any of the sections as needed. A strong research design helps in minimizing biases, ensuring the data collected it is relevant and accurate. It also provides a framework for analyzing the data and interpreting the results. By carefully planning the research design, researchers can draw meaningful conclusions that contribute to the existing body of knowledge and inform future studies. In essence, a robust research design is essential for producing credible and actionable insights, making it are fundamental aspects of any successful research endeavor. Thank you.